Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? You good? That's nice, beta. I welcome you in my class. That is English for grade 1. We are learning Unit 4. Its title is Sharing is Caring. My dear fellow teachers, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. So my dear children, today we are going to start reading and understanding of the text of this unit. And before this, in your English primer, you have learned how to say words, okay? Right? You have learned the pronunciation, the accuracy of reading words. So we are going to learn further to read aloud words with reasonable level of accuracy in pronunciation. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Hud, verse 114, establish prayer of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam at both ends of the day and in the early part of the night. Surely good deeds wipe out evil deeds. That is a reminder for the mindful. Yes, my dear children, what this beautiful verse is telling us. But first of all, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying to us, offer namaz. So all of us, we should try to offer namaz 5 times a day. Are you learning? Are you offering namaz? Okay, I suggest boys should go to masjid, especially to offer your asr prayer, okay? So this is how their parents and teachers also motivate children. This is the age when we make them habitual of offering namaz, as Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying to us. And beta, second thing we are learning is here, do good deeds. What is the benefit of doing good deed? It wipes out evil deed. Because we are human, we can make mistakes. So when we do good deeds, these good deeds wipe out our mistakes and we are benefited in this world and in the world hereafter, inshallah. Okay, that's why we should try to do good things, good deeds every time. This is what we are going to learn in this unit as well. And the good deed we are going to learn here is sharing. Okay, so I'm going to read the text of this unit. First you will listen carefully because after me you have to read it. Okay, so let's start from here. And before starting reading, tell me, do you share things with anyone? Do you share? And what do you understand by share? Okay, so pause the video, discuss about this question with your teacher and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? I hope every one of you share your things. Okay, so let's start reading. Sharing things bring happiness. So I just ask you, what does sharing mean? Like if you have something and you offer it to someone and the other person takes a bit of that, it's sharing. Okay, you have, for example, you have 2 pencils and one of your class fellow doesn't have pencil and you give 1 pencil to that your class fellow. It's sharing. So what is the benefit? It's sharing and it brings happiness. How it brings happiness? The first thing, the person who does not have it, that person becomes happy. Oh, thank you, I got a pencil. And second thing, beta, you become happy by doing good deeds. You find out yourself as a good person, right? That's why sharing brings happiness. Sharing things bring happiness to the person who shares it and a person who takes it as well. Okay, all right. Play together nicely. So when you are playing with your friends, with your siblings, you should share your toys and play nicely. This is one of the good deeds we are learning today. The third one is sharing is caring. It is a very famous statement. Sharing is caring. What does it mean? means when you share your things with others, it means you care for them. You are cautious for them. You want them to be happy. That's why you share your things with them. So sharing is a way to show other person, yes, I care for you, right? So the people around us whom we love, we want them to be happy. What is the way? We can share our stuff with them to make them happy, right? Okay, now you tell me, what do you share with your friends? If you are with your friends, what do you share? So pause the video, answer this question to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear students. So I hope all of you answered it. Whatever you share and everything which we have, we should share it, beta. Okay? Share your things with others. Now, this is another important thing, because we can share things with our siblings, with our friends, with the people who are around us. But we should share things with others, the one who needs it, either he or she is our friend or not. We should share. Like we find a person, we have a lot of, for example, food, and a person is there who does not have food, and we don't know who that person is. Even then we should share our food with that person. This is what sharing is, right? And better, when we share our things, our blessings, Allah increases it, right? Okay, and the next good thing we are going to learn today is take turns and wait for others, right? Whenever you are and there are more than one people, make a queue and take your turn. Make others to take their turn as well, all right? And make other people happy by sharing. This is what we already learned. If you find a person is sad and you can share something and the person will be happy, so share with that person, right? Okay, so that's it. Before starting comprehension, now it's your turn. As I told you, you will pause the video, read the text again, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with reading? Good job. Now it's time for comprehension. Let's find out, have you understood the text? So teachers kindly make the children to answer the following questions orally, okay? Because it's grade 1, we'll take answer orally. So ask the questions and make the children to answer the questions. Pause the video, complete this question, and then come back. Yes, my dear children. Are you done with it? Good job. Now it's time for your homework. You will read the text again. Look at the pictures and choose your favorite and write its number and line in your notebook. And here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to children for practice. And my dear students, what you are going to do, you will look at the picture and write the action word for it. I have taught you action words, so find out the action words and write over here. Now, what we have learned today, we read aloud the words with a reasonable level of accuracy. We read the pictures. We realized that with pictures, we can understand the text more easily. So in this way, we achieved our SLO to read aloud words with reasonable level of accuracy in pronunciation. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.